When traveling to an English speaking country, one of the most common situations you'll face is going out to eat at a restaurant. When learning English, it could feel very stressful ordering food if you're not sure what to say or how to say it, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I'm going to teach you 10 simple phrases that will help you order food with confidence anywhere in the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you 10 simple phrases that will help you order food in any restaurant in an English-speaking country. So whether you're traveling or just want to be more comfortable eating out, this video is for you. Number 1, could I see the menu, please? This is a really polite way to ask for the menu. If you go to a restaurant, you should always start by asking for the menu if there's one not available at the table that you're sitting at. This phrase is perfect for that. Just say, could I see the menu, please? And the waiter or waitress will bring it to you. Number 2, what do you recommend? Waiters are used to answering this question because many customers ask them this when they don't know what to order. So all you need to say is, what do you recommend? They might say something like, the T-bone steak is really good, or we have fresh Norwegian salmon that came in today. Number 3, I'd like. After looking at the menu and finding something that you would like to eat, you can use this phrase. I'd like the chicken with rice. Or something like, I'd like the cheeseburger and fries. Or maybe, I'd like the fish of the day. The correct way to say what you want is very important because the waiter might have to repeat it to the cooks in order to prepare your food. Number 4, can I get this without... Sometimes you'll see ingredients that you don't like, so you'll need to ask the waiter to make your food without those ingredients. For example, if you don't like onions, you can say, can I get this without onions? Saying, can I get, is a really common and polite way to make a request like this. Number 5, what comes with this? Sometimes we're not quite sure what the order includes. So it's always okay to ask because we want to know what we're going to eat, right? So when we're not sure, we can ask, what comes with this? For example, if you're asking about ordering the fish, you might say something like, what comes with the salmon? Does it come with soup or salad? So just ask. You don't want to be surprised when the food arrives. Number 6, could we have some water, please? Asking for water is pretty simple. You can just say, could we have some water, please? Very easy request, but don't forget to say please. It's very important to be polite. You won't get the best service if you aren't polite. Number 7, this isn't what I ordered. Mistakes happen, and sometimes you might receive food that you didn't order. If that happens to you, just politely tell your waiter, excuse me, but this isn't what I ordered. He'll probably apologize, take it back, and bring you what you asked for. No reason to get upset. You're there to enjoy yourself. Just relax. Number 8, could I get the check, please? After you finish eating, it's time to pay. To do that, first you need to ask for the check. It's very important to ask for the check before you leave the table.
But you think I don't know that?
So just say, could I get the check, please? Or even just, check, please. That's fine too. Number 9, can we split the bill? If you're eating with friends, you might want to split the bill. This is when you divide the costs of the food between the people who are eating together. To do that, you need to ask the waiter to split the bill. So just say, can we split the bill, please? Then the waiter will bring separate checks for each person. Number 10, do you accept credit cards? Finally, after you have your check, you might want to pay with a credit card. However, it's always polite to ask if they accept credit cards first because some restaurants only accept cash. All you need to say is, do you accept credit cards? And there you go. 10 simple phrases that will help you order food in any restaurant in an English-speaking country. So learn them, use them, and then pack your bags. You're ready to eat. See you in the next video.